Just arrived in Mexico, and our good sis Talia picked us up. Period. Whipping that Nissan Altima. Okay. We got BB in the back and T-Tree. Yes.
Vanna in a dancehall style. I love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. But say me love you like mango. I better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something.
Look at all this street art, y'all. It goes all the way down the street. But yeah, for our first excursion, we're going to the first cenotes in Playa del Carmen. Okie dokie, first excursion, let's go.
We just got into the cenotes. And do you want me to show you?
Show us.
Pretty. So far we're just walking and we just passed by some man-made pools.
Wey, ¿qué es lo que con este tigre que no floja la manguera? Dime, manín, me cosieron la boca a mí, no sé fumar yo, Es tuya la juca o tú eres juquero. Él no suelta la manguera, el loco. Mierda, qué gante el este tigre. Regimil.
We're at the beach, y'all, and it's not Jamaica. That's for sure. Y'all see the seaweed?
Can't blame the United States.
It's America that gave them the seaweed. It's horrible, but how you have blue water, but seaweed? It don't make sense. It don't make. No lanes, just vibes, right, Talia? We have arrived in Tulum. Yes, we have. No, it's not. You're good. Sexual chocolate is what he told us. You do. Sexual chocolate. I was like, is this like this? What's
What?
activities are here.
Finally. I feel like I'm back at home. Hello everyone, so here we are walking down to the Fusion Bar. Get some good eats.
Shannon, Dietrich, Talia. We're about to go into the beach club.
Very bitter.
Woo! Bitter. Woo! Dry. British though. Wait. Also posted a video of the other underneath. Oh yeah. The back end spike. So what is
good?
No. Okay. No, it's
Yeah, this kind of deep, BB. Ooh, it's our second cenote, guys.
I want to have gringos.
No gringos. We just got street tacos. Yes, I ordered chicken, she ordered carnitas, and then she ordered carnitas.
Pollo.
Pollo. We finally found some
Birria.
tacos. So I'm very, 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 very excited.
We've been wanting birria
all
tacos
week
since we've been here.
And we discovered that it's a breakfast, early lunch item.
I did this one.
Ooh, yeah. She doesn't eat beef.
Second. I had the shit.
Guys, I'm trying my first birria tacos in Mexico. We got water getting in it. Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Can I get some consomme? Yeah.
That's really good. Don't see this in Joe, would you? Like, that's kind of dark. I don't think I.
I'm drinking rum and Red Bull, and you see, let me heart full. Them want me get awful, like them on the dance, I'll get grappled.
So what does it feel like to be a part of the entourage and not be the main character?
Yes. Well, they said we should go.
Like, this is vloggable. So we're tequila tasting.
Now grip the curves, grip the curves, grip the curves, grip the curves. So we fell off our jet ski.
Continue straight on Mexico.
And that was kind of scary, you know. But we had life vests on, so that was okay.
They didn't want to get the hair wet this early.
Well, the hair got wet. We also hit a rock.
I fell off the jet ski twice.
Yeah, I only fell off once.
Why the Alto brothers?
What?